Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to solve this question from GATE 2007 paper, which is based on the topic of meso compounds. I'd already made a video on how to identify whether a compound is meso or not. I will provide the link in the description if you have not watched that video. The question is molecule or molecules that exist as meso structure or structures are. So there are three structures given. K, L and M, we have to identify which of them are meso compounds. So let us first, to recall, let us first write down the two conditions for a compound to be meso compound. The first is at least there should be two chiral centers. At least two chiral centers or two chiral carbons must be present. What are chiral centers? Carbon attached to four different groups. Carbon attached to four different groups. It can be some other atom as well, but here we are talking about all the atoms are carbon atoms, so I'm writing only about the carbon atoms. Four different groups. This is first condition. At least means minimum there should be two. More than two are also possible. Okay, I will provide the link in the description. You can see that video. In that I had explained in detail what are the examples of meso compounds with 3 and 4 chiral centers. Second important condition is that there should be a plane of symmetry that is present. Now what is a plane of symmetry? That we had seen multiple times. What is a plane of symmetry? Suppose I take a molecule, let's say I take cyclobutane. Okay, I pass a plane through this molecule like this, such that, okay, if I pass a plane and one half of the molecule is exactly the mirror image, okay, mirror image of the other half, then we call this plane as what? We call this plane as a plane of symmetry. If there is no mirror image, then it will not be plane of symmetry. Okay, so in all the three molecules, you can see that there are two chiral centers. In K, there are two chiral centers. In L, there are two chiral centers. And in M also, there are two chiral centers. So first condition is satisfied by all the three molecules. Now we have to check for plane of symmetry. Now here, is there any plane present? K, yes. If I draw a plane passing through the molecule like this, you can see this is exactly the mirror image of the other half of the molecule. So is this a meso compound? Yes, it is a meso compound. Now L compound, again L compound, I can pass a plane like this, and this half is exactly the mirror image of the other half. So this is also a meso compound. Okay, but here, suppose here if I draw the same plane, is this a plane of symmetry? No, because here you can see the methyl group is above the plane of the paper, whereas on the other side, if you see, methyl is below the plane. That is above the plane, there will be no methyl group to reflect. Okay, so this is plane of symmetry is not present. Okay, so M is not a meso compound. Okay, so which are meso compound? K and L. So the correct answer is option B. Okay, the correct answer is what? Option B, both K and L. In these type of question, it is very important that you check all the structures. Now suppose you check only K, and if you have marked answer D, that will be wrong. If you have checked only L, if you mark option C, that will also be incorrect. So you have to check all the molecules that are given. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.